Lots of people have believed that gold is one of the most expensive materials in the world. Oh, this, however, is absolutely wrong. InfoRandom has compiled a list of materials of value, rating them from the lowest price to the highest one. Let's skip ahead a bit. Gold is not even in the top 3 here. Let's see top 16 expensive materials in the world. Let's start with saffron. This spice is unique, combining fantastic taste and great health benefits. Its production process is highly time and effort consuming, but the flavor and healing properties of saffron are unequaled by any other spice. Now, gold. The most well known precious metal that no woman can supposedly do without. Gold has been worshipped from the time immemorial, and all things beautiful are inevitably compared to it. Rhodium, a metal of the platinum group and an extremely rare one. To give you the big picture, let's say that 1 ton of earth crust contains about 0.001 gram of rhodium. Platinum. This is a rare and precious metal of a silvery steel color. Like gold, it's highly resistant to acids, alkali, and other compounds. Methamphetamine. This is what the protagonists of Breaking Bad were cooking. It's prohibited by law, and well, you don't see it in person ever. Rhinoceros horn. Although science has proven that rhino horn has no medical properties, they are still considered valuable because of this property and has great knife handles. Because of pointers, true rhinos are already on the verge of extinction. Heroin, an opiate that changes your perception. Once again, better you never see it for yourself. If the movies speak the truth, it's very hard to get, and that's probably why it's so expensive. Cocaine, drug that costs a fortune yet won't do you any good whatsoever. This white crystal powder is a fatally dangerous narcotic. Its higher price as compared to the one above is explained by its purity and naturalness. LSD, a psychoactive narcotic substance, a very expensive delayed death. The manufacturing process of this semi-synthetic drug is quite difficult, which explains the cost. Plutonium, heavy and fragile radioactive metal of a silvery white color. Its uses vary from production of nuclear weapons and fuel to a source of energy from spacecraft. Penite. This stone is so rare that very few people actually know it exists. It's mineral of an orange or reddish brown color, and it was only discovered 65 years ago. There are just a couple hundreds of these stones in the world today. Taphite, a precious stone of a violet, pink, red, or white color. It is a million times rarer than diamonds, making it legendary. However, despite its uniqueness, it's not very popular when it comes to jewelry, and that's probably the reason why it's relatively inexpensive. Tritium. This gas is used in lighting. For example, in a tritium illumination, it costs about $15 million to produce a pound of tritium. Diamond, the most famous precious stone on earth and the best friend of any lady. Californium, the most expensive chemical element ever. It has been synthesized only once since its discovery in 1950. Now my most popular thing, antimatter, the most expensive substance on earth. Production of 1 milligram of positrons costs about $25 million. In theory, we will be able to use antimatter as fuel for spacecrafts in the future. But the drawback today is that to make just 1 gram of it, ale of mankind will have to work for about a year without rest. And final one, bonus one, jade stone. Miners in Myanmar have found the world's largest jade stone in the remote mine in the Kachin state in the north of country. The stone is 14 feet high and 19 feet long and weighs approximately 200 tons. This beautiful jade boulder will be sent to China where it will be carved up into expensive jewelry and sculptures. Thank you.